Your Tesla has 3 displays: the instrument cluster behind your steering yoke, the cinematic front row touchscreen, and the touchscreen for passengers in the second row. Your instrument cluster presents the most important information while driving. State of charge and drive mode show at the bottom. Current speed displays on the right. Your driving visualization is in the center. This animates your Tesla's perception of its surroundings and gives readouts for active safety features like blind spot monitoring. Driver assistance features like auto steer are also indicated here. Navigation displays on the left when a route is active. The front touchscreen works much like a smartphone. It's your primary interface for controls, productivity, and entertainment. Your map is the backdrop of the screen, and your media player displays to one side. Tap here to switch the media player to the other side, or drag to minimize it. Your passenger can control volume here. As a reminder, just spin the left scroll wheel to adjust volume from the driver's seat. These are your recent apps. Tap one to open it and swipe to close. These are your favorites. Tap here to access the rest of your apps. Customize favorites by touching, holding, and dragging. Tap or slide to adjust temperature and reveal quick controls for rear and front defrosters and heated and ventilated seats. Tap split if your front passenger would like to control their temperature independently. Tap here to reveal your complete climate menu, which gives you controls from manual fan speed adjustments to heating your yoke or enabling dog mode. This is also where you position the airflow. Drag to move air up, down, in, and out. Your preferred airflow position saves to your driver profile, so even it's set exactly how you like every time you're the driver. The easiest way to adjust climate is with a voice command. Set the temperature to 70. Explore features and settings within the tabs of your controls menu. You even open your glove box from here. This status bar has interactive icons for functions like driver profiles and connectivity. Open Controls to reveal your status bar. Tap the Bluetooth icon to connect your phone for calls and media. Bring up the Bluetooth menu on your phone and then, on the car's screen, select Start Search. Once your phone's name appears, select it and wait for a prompt on your phone. Select Pair within the prompt and you're connected. Explore the map by dragging, pinching, and rotating just as you would on a smartphone. Tap to select a point of interest or press and hold to drop a pin. Tap anywhere on the map to reveal controls for toggling satellite view, live traffic, and points of interest, including charging locations. For a detailed list of chargers, tap Navigate and then Chargers. Enter a destination here or use voice commands. Navigate to Giga, Texas. If you need to charge to reach your destination, Trip Planner will automatically route you to superchargers along the way. The rear touchscreen allows passengers to control their own climate zone, heated seats, and entertainment, including the audio playing throughout the cabin. Like first row climate, rear airflow is positioned from the screen. Passengers can even watch videos and movies or play games while you're driving.